number 6, triangle TRW will be dilated by a scale factor of n with the origin as the center of dilation to create triangle T prime R prime W prime. Which order pair best represents the location of point R prime? Looking at the graph, we're talking about dilations. So let's talk a little bit about what dilations mean and use a real world example. So we're going to be dilating by a scale factor. So when I think of dilations, I like to think of eyes. If you've ever been to the eye doctor, they dilate your pupils to check for any diseases or any abnormalities in your eyes. So when we look at this, talk about scale factor. Scale factor will be working with multiplication and division because we're either going to enlarge or we're going to shrink. Adding and subtracting is more of a translation. So when we dilate pupils, like we said earlier about the eye doctor, you'll start with your normal pupils and they will put a solution in your eyes to dilate your pupils. And what dilation in this case means to expand and make it larger so they can see a little bit more clear inside your pupils. So let's take a look at our answer choices and see, based on that idea of dilated pupils, what our answer choices are. So we're going to be when we look at addition and subtraction, we talked about that being a translation because it's just going to either move left, move right, move up, move down. It's not going to change its size. It's not going to enlarge. It's not going to shrink. So in that case, C and D do not work in this case. So we're going to be looking at multiplication and division. We don't divide by the scale factor of n. We actually multiply because it's going to be an enlargement. So our answer choice on this one and the correct response is B, negative 3n, negative 5n.